Alright, welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to complete action model AI tasks using just your mobile phone. If you don't have access to a laptop, you can still end by using the Mix browser on your phone. On your screen here, this is my dashboard of the action model. I already have the extension downloaded. This is the extension interface when you are using Mix browser. You can see here I'm using the Mix browser. So I've already logged in into my account. So for those that are that are newbies here now, you need to first register an account on the Action Model platform using the referral link I will drop in the description. So once registered, go to the action file. This is once you register, you must have downloaded the extension first. Then you come here, you come to the action file. This is where the training of the AI model happens. So you click on it, wait for it to load. So once you get here, that's the action file interface. You can literally search for any available tasks, or you can just follow the ones displayed on your screen. So for this video, I want to keep it simple. I'll search for a particular task that I can just accomplish very easy for you guys to see. I just type the name of the domain, Dropbox. So I'll click on it here to get it open. So as you can see on this screen, I've already started the task. So I'll just maybe continue with this to show you guys how it is easy for you to accomplish this task on your mobile device using the Mix browser. So for those that don't have access to the laptop, this is for you especially. You can still participate in the action model AI training. Right. Okay. Now we are already in the action file interface. We have searched for the domain that we want to accomplish some of the tasks available here. So I've already searched for the domain in the task list. Select any task you prefer. This is a task list here now. There are numerous tasks on this particular domain, the Dropbox domain. So I've completed the first and the second task. The third task is what we are about to do now. So once you select any task of your choice, make sure you read the instruction carefully before starting any task. Make sure you have installed the action model extension right on your Mix browser, as the model monitor your action and score you based on how well you completed each task. So now we'll click on the start button. Once you click on the start button, be ready. You must have studied the instruction, so that because it's timed, every task is timed. You must complete it immediately within that time range. If not, you will be redirected to the task interface and you'll be scored. But if you fail, you can still redo the task. So the instruction says, the first instruction says click on all. First of all, on this Dropbox, you need to register an account, maybe sign up with your Gmail. So I'll click on it said I should click on the all file. I've clicked on the all file. Then the second instruction says click on the row of the existing file you want to rename. I've clicked on this row now. I have to open it. Then the third instruction now, we have to click on the three dot, which is the more button. I think we need to go back. Let me see the more button. This is okay. Now this is the three dot we are expected to click on, and then the more button. This is the more button here, right? Then this is okay. but here is the rename. You just have to click on the rename. Then let's just do away with this one. I'll just do this. Enter a name for the file in the rename text, then click the rename or save button. So I've already entered a text for this. It's renaming already. Click on the rename or save button to confirm the. So I've already renamed this now. I think I've done this for this time. So once you have completed all this step, open the action model extension, right? Using the icon in your browser, click finish, and you'll be redirected back to the platform where your performance will be scored automatically. So this is the you see what I was saying, you have to be fast as well, because they are already telling me from the action model extension that I've spent half of my time limit. So it's time, every task is time. You have to be very fast to accomplish each task once open. So to click on this action model. Now, if the website does not display properly on your mobile phone as it is displaying on the screen here now, go to your browser setting and switch to desktop mode to complete the task more easily. Now it's displaying, I'm on the, I think this should be the mobile version, but depending on the phone you're using, if it doesn't display like this, you can switch to the desktop. I'm still on the phone, so you're not leaving your phone. Every task will be done on the phone. So I'll click on the finish button, then finish training. I will be redirected to another page where the model will assess my work. If it is done correctly, I'll be scored. So it has been scored. So I first tried it. Once you fail, you can still do it again. So that's the beauty of this model. So once you fail, you do it again. Now, as I've done, I've been scored correctly. So each task carried a particular amount of points. So for this task now, you have 4,410 points. So that's it for the action model task directly from your phone. So if you found this tutorial helpful, please like and follow for more tutorial. Thank you, and I'll see you in our next video. Take care.